Alright, so a few of you, well, I've had a few requests now for a walk around video of the old girl. And just to give you guys a look-see as to what's on her. Yes, there's IROCs, and yeah, they rock. It's time for a rotate though. Getting ready to go do a little wheeling later. Getting her ready for paint later on this month. There's the gauges. Tack, vacuum, and trans temp. Fan switch, backup lights, and that little red button's the flamethrowers. And then got the CB up there, along with the badass trucker chick, Fuzzy Dice. Crawl up in here. And then you can see my custom painted ashtray. There you go. Some stickers. Another one. Remember my name. You'll be screaming it later. And the classic four-wheeler magazine with the cup holders. My transfer case knob. The B&M light truck mega shifter, which is awesome, by the way. Window knobs my buddy got me for, I think it was Christmas or my birthday one year. And yeah, I roll with the windows down. That's how I roll. Alright, pop the hood. Show you her 355. Yeah, you can see I'm a Chevy guy. There's the beast. Fuel pressure gauge. Had a close call last week, and the fuel line was rubbing on the alternator fan. Started a leak. Luckily, she didn't burn to the ground. Down in there's my power steering cooler. That line just runs from the return to the cooler and then to the box. Or, I should say, from the box to the cooler and then back to the pump. My fan relay up in there. The flamethrower relay over there. And the Braden 8,000 pound winch. It's an old worm gear winch. Apparently there's some worm gears in there that's what does all the tugging. Get that rebuilt this month too. You could probably see the 5-ton tranny cooler in there. Got that up at the wreckers I was working at. Off a big 5-ton that was getting wrecked. Yeah, our gas doors, all the paint's coming off, but like I said, that's getting fixed. And the newest addition was the 4x4 5/16 thick steel tube bumper. Can turn that into an air tank. Went wheeling and had to put the tailgate in some primer. Keep it from rusting. Had a whole bunch of shit that day, so. And the classic, the Moto Tricks skulls. I really can't drive her anywhere without getting thumbs up from somebody, so. And then I'll show you her diff cover. Yeah, it's got a bit of a leak, but it's not pouring out yet, so I'm not fixing it yet. I'll do all that when I do all the bodywork and stuff. And yeah, 3-inch body lift. The only reason it's in there is to run the exhaust. That was its sole purpose. And this is where I smashed the fender in. Right here was wrinkled in, and well, all this was in about 6 inches. And this was folded in on itself, back like that. Came out pretty nice. The CB antenna. Look here, transfer case shifter thing's got to get painted, and it ain't a truck unless it's got a gun rack. The only gun I own is a pellet gun, so but here we can't drive around with that window. I'll show you the my splash guard and her front diff cover. Nice little flame job. So that's her. And the fire extinguisher. Gotta have a fire extinguisher. The gas pedal. Oh, no keys. Alright. She's been sitting for a little bit. She got a chance to cool down, so. That's right, trucksgonewild.com. Those movies rock. And if it's chrome, it ain't gonna get you home. So you might as well leave it at home. See the where the spark plug is. The coils are just mounted inside the frame rail there on the cross member. It's kind of a bad spot because mud kind of fried them, so